Isasangla daw ng isang avid fan ng Vietnamese basketball national team ang kanyang koleksyon ng mga sapatos o ipamimigay kung sakaling matalo ang Vietnam sa ating Gilas Pilipinas. Natayin sa report sa Vietnam, 1 billion Vietnamese money pala ang reward ng mga player kung sakaling matalo nila ang Pilipinas sa SEA Games sa basketball. Kaya pala motivated sila na manalo at makalamang sa laban. Pero ang tanong, kaya ba nila?
Gilas Pilipinas gets the first possession ng labanan. Matthew Wright. They go into Erang. Soft double team, he turns and he swishes that jumper from the side.
No problem for Aram with 7 points and 5 rebounds off the bench in that win versus Malaysia.
But straight to the basket, it was si Tran, Dang Tran. And he makes the first basket para sa Vietnam, 28-year-old player for the Washington State Cougars back in the United States.
Right.
So US trained din yan.
Led the way in scoring versus Malaysia as for Aram knocks in a mid-range shot.
He did play for Batang Gilas many years ago. So may international experience na yan. But this is different. Oh, there's an interception. And this is going to be an easy layup para kay Tandin.
4 points on layups. Had 8 points yesterday in 24 minutes versus the team of Malaysia.
Inside the paint, Jamie Malonzo will take it. Distracted by the defense of the tall centers. Nguyen, he's their tallest player at 6'8". Dirker on the break, swishes a three and gives his team a lead, 7-4.
That's his shot really. Had 7 points yesterday in 20 minutes. 0 of 3 from the free ball in Saturday's game versus Malaysia.
Tagal na rin yan nagsaserve sa kanilang national team.
Since 2019 at least.
Here's Dalf Panopio. He misses, pero andun si Boy Erap to clean that up. 6 early points kay Erap. Missing a three-pointer there. Here come the Philippines. Chance to grab the lead back sa sequence na ito. And there it is! Jamie Malonzo slams it home.
And again, bring your offense close to the basket. Losing the lead earlier, regaining it with this Malonzo highlight play.
So that's the Jamie Malonzo we have come to know through the years. Nakaagaw ang Pilipinas. Lead pass way ahead to Ray Ray. That's an easy lay-in para kay second generation PB.
Can play at least 3 positions and defend all those positions as well with ease.
Maganda ng atake. Itong si Justin Young. And he hits that basket. Heading the other way. Oh, no one near him sa kanyang mga kakampi. He takes it anyway, misses. But then there's Dirker. Offensive rebound and putback amidst 3 Gilas Pilipinas players. Nakuha pa niya.
At the right place at the right times. At the right time. Stands about 6'6". Solidly built. 4-point run here for Vietnam. Cuts the lead of the Philippines to a solitary point.
Abu Trotter now looking for someone to pass to. They go to Berto. Berto hoists up a 3. That's off target. Sa rebound, Ray Parks one-handed. They swing it around. Juan Casumales in the game as well, but it's 30 Ravena now. The mid-range. Jumper is good for 30.
Super strong. Ferdy Ravena gets to his shooting spot.
For the chance to play for the national team. Another 3 hoisted up by Vietnam. And you know, if you let them take it that many times, they're bound to hit a few. But si Brent will just get started on his second year next season. Here come the red shirts. A chance to regain the lead. Mr. Wiggle ang tawag sa kanya. He was wiggling his way to the basket there.
And a turnover.
Hindi na naipasok. Ayun na! On the second effort, si Nguyen.
Pero after makalaro mo ng isang quarter, at least makilala mo, alam mo ng bantayan. Somebody's open.
He's gonna get his first 2 points in this game. Napapasok lang. Manzano gets that on the break. Leaking out. At nahanap siya ng kanyang kakampi. Lamang pa rin itong Vietnam. Madadagdag kaya nila bago matapos ang first quarter. This is more or less last shot time with a 5-second difference between the clocks. Here he goes again. They kick to the corner. Nice setup for the big man. And he puts that one in. Knocking down the 3. Win-win.
Nakakatakbo ang Vietnam at nahatak yung mga helpers natin para malibre yung mga bigs na tumatama mula sa labas. Biggest lead para dito sa Vietnam. Kahapon sa second quarter, 20-0 run para sa Pilipinas para mabura yung 5 puntos sa kalamangan ng Malaysia at lumamang pagkatapos ng first 20 minutes ng 42-26.
Well, that's a welcome basket from the corner, a three-pointer. Finally, you just mentioned it. We needed outside shooting. Sergi Ravena puts that one in. Well,
my.
binawi naman agad ng
Matchup.
Vietnam.
Matchup.
College of St. Vito, may shoulder injury yata si Liwag. So, tamang-tama, ipinasok ang veteranong si Eram. He's doing well so far. But look at that, another inside incursion, and they're getting easy baskets inside. Parang layup.
Individual defense has to be better para sa Pilipinas. Bagay na nagawa ng maayos kontra sa Malaysia kaya walang mapuntahan ng opensa nila sa halos kabuuan ng pangalawang quarter.
Binalik sa kanya, atake ng baseline. Stuffed by Boy Eram, good defense. Here comes the Philippines. Matthew Wright will stop and pop from three. That's how you do it.
Oh yes!
From the Philippines. In the meantime, ito Vietnam, di diskarte.
Laban sa change-up defense ng Pilipinas. Oh wow!
But here it is again, no? Pag-tref ng Pilipinas. Tran now handling it, down to 7 seconds under shot clock. He'll try again. And he'll make it again. And that's an 11-point lead, coach. Pass goes to the big man. Nguyen on the run. Elegant
my.
shot. Ala Ramon Fernandez yun.
Pambihira naman, lahat ng ipinukol ay pumasok. Pero kailangan maswertihin tayo mula sa opensa dito sa mga natitirang minuto and a good second quarter finish.
Now Panopio hitting that three. Nice setup from Matthew Wright.
Again, shoot kahit paano, ayun na naman, atake.
At yung nawala sa kanyang bola, it ends up in the arms of his teammate, in the hands of his teammate, and he knocks it in. Manzano running with him. Instead he goes to Chua. To the side, Matthew Wright releasing from three and connecting.
7 straight points for the Philippines.
Panopio sets up Chua. The fake, the drive, and the layup for Justin Chua.
9 straight points for the Philippines.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Berto Bolic with the possession. Kicks it out. Matthew Wright, another three on the way. That's good!
Wow. A long ball. That's his third 3-point conversion, by the way.
Matthew will try again. This one is way short. Pero andun sa ilalim, the man we were talking about, Cedric Manzano.
And there's a reason why he's here. Open.
Kicks it to the cover. That's a finger roll mula kay JP Eram.
And you know what Robert Bolick can do in terms of finding open teammates. Back to a point lead for the Philippines.
Tran, he's in a bind. Ball's on the floor. Nakuha na ng mga nakaputi. Sparks up ahead. Easy layup for Matthew Wright.
And easily Matthew Wright at the forefront. This mark of quarter 3. So, halos 6 na minuto na scoreless spell para dito sa Vietnam from the field. Ooh.
Yan na, the outside shot from the big man. Sensi wins. They go to their floor general. Tran. Dirker will drive against Manzano, trying to body up. Throws it away. Here comes Ray Parks. Up ahead to Berto Bolic. He'll drop it to the trainer. Matthew Wright will not convert. Ray Parks is there outside to Bolic. He'll take a three instead. That goes! Napaganda pa.
Oh, naman.
Bit of a hesi move. He'll take the jumper. That's off target. Tapigan ng bola on the floor. Trent picks it up. Got some white shirts in front of him. He'll attack. And the layup para sa kanya. But it's just a 3-point lead. Precarious to say the least, and now it's down to just one.
Wow.
And look at that strong drive from Chris Dirker.
That's his strong side.
Malonzo could have been in trouble, and they are saying that. That's what Vietnam is saying. But hindi na tayo magugulat kasi pumapasok ang mga tres ng Vietnam mula sa pool na ating laro. Ito na. Berto, some contact, dropping it to Era. And he finishes strong, looking for a foul as well. Bolic the kick to Malonzo. Didn't take the three, drives inside, lost it. Parks will take a three instead. That's short. Malonzo will power up for the putback.
Can play the 4, swing to the 3. Alonso with 4 third quarter points right now.
We like him.
7-point lead.
The live body, si Malonzo just running around,
Malakas.
tracking it down. 2 baskets for him here. Jerker will drive, drop it over. Quinn inside. And the big guy, Nguyen, gets an inside incursion this time. Found an answer, coach. We're all tied up at 55 in the third quarter. So, ng Pilipinas, good rebounding. Oh, look at that. What a play. They kick it back out to the guy coming from behind the lane. I don't think anyone thought that Vietnam would hang this long with the Philippines, but they didn't just hang. Sergio Ravena's going to check in at the next dead ball. In the meantime, napunta na naman kay Nguyen. And this man is oozing with confidence. He ties it up at 55.
Outside, inside, and mid-range.
They fight back. At the strategy ni Coach Matt Van Pelt has been working. The kick out the three-point land. Matthew Wright ties it up quickly. He didn't like the fact na sa'yo nag-foul sa kabila. Kaya bumawi agad.
I'll say this is a matter of fact. Matthew Wright to the rescue.
Yes, sir.
To the rescue.
But there's a long way to go. About a minute here in the third, an entire 10 for the fourth. And Philippines is in a fight right now kontra sa Vietnam. The drive. He puts it up. Halos back to the basket na ginawa ni Vauban. Manopio setting the table. Goes behind his back. Tries to drive. Puts it up. And he gets it to go. 3 seconds remaining at mukhang hindi na makakatira ang Vietnam. And indeed, the Philippines gets the lead at the end of 3, but it's not much. Just a 1-point difference. Running it to perfection, almost.
Believing that somehow.
The pass inside to Eram. He's able to handle it this time, but he's blocked upstairs. Good defense from the big guys in Win. Bolik in the paint. Lobbed it up for Eram. The one-handed shot doesn't go. Underneath, Bolik kept it alive. Outside to Parks. 10 seconds to shoot. Bolik releases from 3. That's good! Much needed. Make it a
Meron
two-possession game.
4-point bonus play.
Oh,
3-point
okay.
conversion.
Stay away from that.
Yes.
Bolik. The 3. Good!
There you go.
For Berto Bolik. Bolik now looking for some room. Poy Eram setting the screens. They go back to Poy. He's thinking about it. He'll take it. And he will make a 3 for the top of the key. What a shot. Nice up fake. Jumper mid-range. Matthew Wright bitin. Malone's on the board.
That's a big
Putback
one.
is good. And Jamie's been working hard underneath.
Indeed.
Jerker will drive. Lose it momentarily. He's able to recover. Good hands. Win from 3.
No.
Nakapasok pa ng isa yung big man.
Up and down. Missed shots.
Hindi na yata titira. Nag-instructor sa ba si coach? Hindi na, okay na yan. So Philippines survives. I'll say survives. Vietnam 78-67.